Hey guys, my name's John Erickson, and I'm reading for the role of Zach. There's a reason I wanted you to come in today.
Okay.
You asked what we should do about Richard's legacy, as if his work is finished. But fan tributes are still flooding the website. Many of them asking if you are going to continue Richard's work.
Me?
You and your girls are what's left of him. You're very important to his readers. I know you were thinking about writing the next book before Richard died.
I haven't thought about it since. I didn't think we could continue.
I believe we should continue. With you. I could give you a monetary advance, a substantial one.
I've never written anything on my own. What do I have to say? I'm just Richard's wife.
Chris, that's everything. I was thinking we could make the announcement when you do Richard's national tribute on Oprah.
Wait, what?
Didn't my secretary call you?
No, Julie didn't call me.
I'm so sorry, but you're scheduled to be on Oprah in a week.
You mean in front of 22 million people?
Going on Oprah is perfect. She launched Richard's career, and now she can pass the baton to you where he began.
Zach, my fear of public speaking is serious. I could literally pass out. I don't want to embarrass myself or Richard.
Which is why I set up media coaching for you, to help you prepare. Maybe I'm out of line for saying this, but I think Richard would want you to become the brand ambassador. He wants you to keep your life moving forward.
I basically said the same thing to Kenna this morning.
Why don't we take it one step at a time? Right now, Brienne is managing the tribute page and the blog, but she's just a placeholder. We were thinking you could put a toe in the water by doing the website reboot, since you used to be in graphic design.
I guess I could do that.
Good. I'll set up a meeting for you with our platform manager, Bentley Renwick. He's just moved here from our New York offices. Richard really liked him.